Hey everybody, I'm here today to talk to you about the one thought that instantly reduces stress. That's right, this is a simple thought that you can think of, and when you think of this thought, it's likely going to instantly reduce your stress level. If you're feeling stressed out for whatever reason, it is entirely normal, but you can try thinking this one thought and hopefully it'll bring that stress level down. I'm going to tell you what the thought is, and then I'm going to expand on it a bit more, just talking to you about sort of why it makes sense. So here's the thought. The thought is very simple. The thought is that you should be thinking it could be worse. In fact, many people likely have it worse, okay? So you always got to keep that in your mind when you're stressed out. Whatever the reason for your stress is, okay? There could be a million, a billion, billions, tens of billions, hundreds of billions of different reasons for your stress, for you feeling that stressful way, and for you feeling that stressed out, okay? There could be so many reasons of why you are feeling that stressed out. But if you always remember that it actually could be worse, and truly, many people likely have it worse than you. People that you probably even know have it worse than you. People within a 5-kilometer radius of you right now have it worse than you, okay? Almost guaranteed. Almost guaranteed. It is highly likely that people have it worse than you that are very nearby you, okay? If you remember that, it makes your situation seem a little bit less stressful. And believe me, even I get stressed out. I know you might be thinking, if you've watched my content a lot, you might be thinking you're like excited, you're pumped up, you're always happy. Yeah, and that, to be honest with you, thank you very much if you think that. It is true. But trust me, I get stressed out all the time as well. But you got to put it into perspective. Someone likely has it worse. It could always be worse. Even in your own situation, if you think, you're like, I don't even think anyone has it worse than this. Well, you could have it worse. It could be worse for you, right? It could be worse than what you're currently stressed out about, even for you, right? And when you understand that, it allows you to not be as stressed, and it puts you in a perspective and a place of being grateful or being thankful. So it allows you to be grateful and thankful. And when you are grateful and thankful, then all of a sudden your stress level goes down because you start looking at things in a positive perspective. You start seeing the losses as wins. You start seeing, any negatives as potential positives, right? Start seeing the light at the end of the tunnel per se. You start seeing the good in the bad, okay? And honestly, if you're feeling stressed, you got to think that way. Okay, and obviously, if something is stressing you out and you can change it, of course, take the right steps to change it to make it better. Of course, you want to do whatever you can to help that thing that's stressing you out and help your own situation. Of course, you got to take action. But I'm talking about the mentality and thinking that way. When you think that way, you put yourself in a position where your stress level is lower, and guess what? When you think that way and you lower your stress level, which hopefully is what's going to be the case, then it allows you to be better at actually taking action and improving your stressful situation. You have less, and you're wasting less energy being stressed out, and you can use that energy instead that you're saving. You can use that energy, that extra energy, to do things to help your stressed out situation get better. Okay? Just always remember that mindset. Always remember that way of thinking, and it'll put you in the right perspective. It'll put you in the right mindset. It'll put you in the right place to hopefully not only feel better and be less stressed out, but also take action and make positive changes to create a less stressful environment or a less stressful situation. Okay? Simple as that. And that's it. I've got nothing else to say other than I hope that you've enjoyed the video. And with nothing else to say, we are going to roll the outro. So without further ado, here is the official outro for this specific video. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more good videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.